plan, plan, plan. Scheme, scheme, scheme. Strategy, strategy, strategy. Blueprint, blueprint, blueprint. Proposal, proposal, proposal. Plan. For example, we have developed a detailed plan to increase our market share over the next year. Scheme. For example, the new marketing scheme includes various campaigns across multiple platforms. Strategy. For example, our business strategy focuses on innovation and customer engagement. Blueprint. For example, the architect presented the blueprint for the new corporate headquarters. Proposal. For example, she submitted a proposal for a new client project that would expand the company's services.